Hello everyone, my name is Alex Slipkin and today I'll be doing an unboxing from Tony Thomastown as an entry for that unboxing video contest. It says, post an unboxing video of your order on YouTube. The video with the most combined likes by March 31st wins a $200 store credit. A $200 store credit. Videos must be quick friendly to quality. Okay, now I know what I'm doing. Anyway, so I'll be using these scissors, these right here, to unbox it. So let's get started. Oh, I think I already see what's in there first. Right, I'll be unboxing this first. Unwrapping this, sorry. And it's Harvey the Crane Engine. He looks pretty good. Only real complaint is that the face looks kind of weird. I'm not really sure that's right. Anyway, he seems to have been made by Tony, and he is dated ...2003, I think. Now, the next product I'll be showing is oh man, the Roundabout Action Turntable. So now I can spin Harvey around. Now, I don't know if this tells me there's a date on it or not, but we'll see. Nope, no date on it. Anyway, so next up is something wrapped in this purple wrapping. It is... I think I know what it is. Yep. Ivo Hue. I've really wanted this for a long time and now I have it. The face looks really odd. I'm not sure it suits Ivo Hue. Now, for those who don't know who Ivo Hue is, Ivo Hue was a character that appeared in the Railway series book New Little Engine, published in 1996 by Christopher Awdry, the year before his father, Reverend Wilbert Awdry, the creator of Thomas the Tank Engine, died. Now, this Ivo Hue is dated ...2002. Oh, let me just raise this. There we go. Right. So the next thing is... oh, what's this? Roadway and normal track ramps. yeah, I've made quite the mess here, but this video is not over just yet. TT Pro. We appreciate your business so much, and we hope that you'll try us again. Spend $100 and get 25% off. Thank you, 25. Or spend $50 and get 10% off. Thank you, 10. Expires March 31st, 2019. And here's the normal card. And this next one is, here's a pamphlet of my orders. Here's an extra page. Okay, so that's spoilers on what's coming next. Next up is this little riser, which is apparently removable. I'm not sure why though. Now this seems like a thing, what am I saying? This next thing seems very small. It is a figurine. It's a workman. Right. So this next thing is a wooden railway dairy car. Now I believe this is supposed to make sounds. This looks very similar to my chicken car, which I also got. And this next thing is probably more ramps, I believe. Oh, yeah, it's this thing. This is a flat ramp with utterly nothing. Here are the bonuses. Crayons. Stickers of Nia and Ashima. And here are some more batteries for things. And this last thing is another removable riser. Oops. This is dated 2001. Oh, let's get this off. So yeah, this is my entry for the unboxing video competition. I know it's not much, but I hope it impresses Torii Thomastown. So yeah, I wonder what happens if I win, and I hope that you like it. So, thank you for watching.